Imagine a world where a strong immune system isn't a luxury, but a reality. A reality where your body isn't just surviving, but thriving. That's the power of a robust immune system. And the key to unlocking it might just be TonicGreens. TonicGreens is a vibrant symphony of organic materials, a complete blend designed to foster health and serve as a barrier against disease. It's a multi-antioxidant product, a veritable health powerhouse that promises to bolster the immune system swiftly. But that's not all. It also offers a myriad of health benefits, all without any side effects. Now, one might wonder, how can TonicGreens boost immunity so effectively? The secret lies in its unique blend of organic antioxidants. This delicious immune booster provides more than just a great taste. It's like a personal bodyguard, boosting your confidence and wellness within just a few days of regular consumption. But TonicGreens offers more than just immune support. It's also a champion for digestive health, improving nutrient absorption and offering significant benefits. Packed with 57 vitamins, herbs, pre- and probiotics, among other nutrients, this powerful smoothie is a one-stop shop for your body's needs. Together, these extracts not only strengthen the immune system, but also provide a shield against diseases. The beauty of TonicGreens lies in its natural composition. The right dosage of natural supplements promotes overall health without any negative consequences. The formula contains potent mixes designed to stimulate the immune system, offering the best possible health advantages. So why not give TonicGreens a try? Experience the power of a strong immune system and the freedom that comes with overall wellness. Remember, health is wealth, and TonicGreens might just be the key to unlocking yours. Get your hands on a bottle of TonicGreens today, and let your journey towards a healthier, happier life begin.